สวัสดีค่ะ I am Bud. Welcome to Learn Thai with Busa. All videos in this playlist aim to introduce each sound of Thai consonants, and this video is about the sound of kho and kho.
At the time of preparing this video, I decided not to use English alphabets to spell Thai sounds, so you won't see any reading guide for each sound. The reason is Thai language is word-oriented, that is, word combination play a major role in spoken sound. This video aims to help you familiarize with sound, so I recommend the most natural and simplest way, that is, to keep focus to the sound you hear. Listen carefully and mimic the sound. Do it again and again. Your ear and your brain will be trained to understand more and more Thai sound. In addition, if you are now in Thailand, you may come across many road signs and nameplates in which the transliterated written form may or may not be congruent with the sound. I will show you some examples of these words in the last slide of this video. From the first video in this playlist, you've known that of 44 letters, we've got only 21 sounds, which can be grouped by their sound into 3 groups. And the sound of kho and kho are the same sound. They are paired. Kho is in high class, while kho is in low class. This slide is just to let you know some basic information. You don't need to remember, but if you want to go on to a further step, this information will benefit you. And if you're ready, let's start.
ขอไข่ขอไข่ขอขวดขอขวดคอควายคอควายคอคนคอคนคอระฆังคอระฆังThe sound of kho and kho is similar to k sound in English, like kettle, kick, kangaroo. For example, ไข่ไข่ขวดขวดควายควายคนคนระฆังระฆังข้าวข้าวคิดคิดของของ In written Thai name of places and people, kho and kho are always transliterated to k, h. They still pronounce k. These are the name of places in Thailand. ขอนแก่นขอนแก่นหนองคายหนองคายของชัยของชัย and these are name of Thai people สุขุมสุขุมคมคายคมคาย เมคาเมคา
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comment for this video, please leave it below. The next sound of Thai consonants is coming. Please subscribe and you won't miss out. And please share this to your friends so they can learn with you. Thank you for watching. See you then.